Hello and welcome to Samurai Day Trading Trade of the Day. Fred here, going to run through the trade with you on this 6th day of February 2026. And we just got done with the U.S. closed live trading room, and here's a trade taken in the room live today. So here we go. The setup is we look for our strong candle indicator, a little triangle pointing downwards, meaning take this candle short towards the bottom of the screen after the buyers have made a move up. They've failed, obviously, at this level. And we got a strong candle coming back the other way. And so that's what we are going to do. So we look over here at PVI. I expect the next candle to be around 70 to 74, 75 ticks in length. I go to my ATM and then say we'll go for a 16 tick first target, and we'll have 30 and 60 tick runners. And that's where we're going to be. So I just need this to push up a little bit. We'll put our order on, and then we'll go from there. Let's go ahead and put the short on before we start the all right, we need a retrace. I'm not going to put a cover order on so close to the trend indicator. So let's just get a little bit of a push up first. There we go. That's what we're looking for. Just create an additional failure, and we'll just go with that. Now, this will go back and forth for a while. I don't know that we actually get paid on it. No, I'm going to put another order on the screen in case this comes back and takes us out at break even. So we'll get our first target taken out. Our stop is actually exactly where it's supposed to be. Right off the bat. So our ATM's looking good for what the PVI is. And now we just need this to push down and take out our first target. And that'll de-risk the trade. Now, once it's de-risked, if it comes back and takes us out at break even, we need to have another order ready in case. There we go. Boom. See how the stop came down? It's a break even position. If it comes out and takes us out at break even, we can decide whether we want to put another order on to go short. So I will have this, and I got to pick this up. It did take us out at break even, so we will re-enter after it's. I got to slow it down just to make sure we get. Well, I picked up all our targets. Okay, fair enough. So here we go again. So we enter for the second time. Same thing's going to happen. We're going to get our first target taken out. We'll de-risk the trade again and wait and see if we can get more. There we go. Boom. All right, that's 5 minutes out of the way. Second target's out. So we have we're out at 16s. We're out at 30s. So we've cleared 15s and 30s. We're 60 ticks ahead, and we're going for a 60 tick target down here, and that got taken out. All right, that entire trade took 6.5 minutes and was worth 630 US dollars. So if you want to learn how to make 630 US dollars in 6.5 minutes, come and join us at SamuraiDayTrading.com. That's SamuraiDayTrading.com, home of some really nice indicators that make trading a breeze. So we'll look forward to seeing you in the live trading room real soon. So until next time, God bless you, and we'll see you then.